The first thing you need to do is download the Premiere Tutorials number 2.zip file. And I downloaded to my desktop. You could download it wherever you want, where you could find it. It might be in your downloads folder. Once you find it, you need to double click on it. 1-2 with your mouse, left click. Then you'll see another very similar, well, it'll say the exact same thing, Premiere Tutorials number 2. It just won't say .zip, and it will have this icon up there of a little blue folder. Your zip file at that point, once you double click on it, should remain highlighted with this little white icon. It looks like a little zipper. This is a smaller version of this over here. And you can delete that. Hold down Command on your keyboard and add delete. So Command plus delete will delete that, put that in your trash. Then you have a folder here full of different files. These MP3 files up on top are audio files. And here we have video files. And down at the bottom there is a PNG, don't worry about that. And then there's a WAV file. This is also an audio file. And if you haven't guessed yet, well, there's no reason to guess. We're working on just audio. Now, though there will be video in this, you'll need these files. Open up Premiere Pro and then click on New Project. You'll get this dialog window. Actually, I'm going to move the background. Oh, you get this dialog window here. It says project name. Name that Learning, spell it right, Learning Audio. Learning Audio. As for location, you'll only have to do this once, but this will be the time to do it. Under location, there's this drop-down arrow. Click on that, and then click on choose location. Actually, if that already says documents or something like that, then I would go ahead and just save whatever this set is. But if you need to choose your location, I highly recommend putting it in your documents folder. Mine is a mess. I'm going to put it on my desktop, and I'll create a new folder right here. New folder. I'll click on that right there. And then I'm going to name this Premiere Pro Projects. You don't have to name it that. You can name it like Video Projects or something like that if that helps you. And this is where I'm going to store this learning audio project that I'm going to work on. I have that location, project name, template leave as none, and click the Create button.